All right. Now, this is kind of where we left off. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to go down the left side, and then for homework, you can try to do the what? You can try to do the right side. All right? So again, you know whether or not you're getting it. That's what I was telling your parents. There's no reason to tell yourself a story. If you don't know something, speak up. All right, speak up. I have, some of you are meeting with me today. Don't forget 8th period, right? And I'm going to go over this again. We're just going to keep on going. All right, listen to me also. You guys are coming in for the extra help. I'm going to reward you for that also. All right, I know you're trying to get the extra help you need. All right, so trust me, I'll make it worth your while. All right, now let's get to work. All right, for this problem right here, I need to get rid of the dividing by 3, so I'm going to have to multiply everything through by what? By 3. All right, now when I do that, all right, this 3 and this 3 crosses out. This 3 and this 3 crosses out. And then I have 3 times 6. All right, so everybody can write down now. 3x plus 4 minus 15x is less than 18. Everybody good with that? Any issues? Alex, you good with that? All right, now we're combining terms. So highlight if you need to. 3x minus 15x. What is that? Good. Now we're subtracting 4 from both sides. When I subtract 4 from both sides, negative 12x is less than 14. You got to be working with me hard. You hear me? Because Wednesday is a good day. All right, I want to be able to say we ended good. All right? Come on, don't be afraid. Now remember, whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, you have to change the signs. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, you change the sign. So this becomes x is greater than negative 14 over 12, which reduces to negative 7 over 6. Anybody have any issues with that? All right, now on the number line, negative 7 divided by 6 is between 1 and negative 2, right? Open parentheses. Greater than means we're going to the what? We're going to the right. What?
Oh, just, how did you get the 7?
I reduced 14 twelfths by 2. Come on, girls. Any issues? Bragdon, you good? Good? Okay, now I'm really interested in interval notation. So we start at negative 7/6 and head into what? Head to infinity. Negative 7/6 to infinity. Boys up front, you good? What? Come on, Jack.
That, bracket thing?
No, bracket is when it's equal to.
Oh.
Bracket is when it is equal to. All right, we'll get to all that also today, just for review. Am I good? Come on, speak up. Bless you. Because negative 7/6 is the same as negative 1 1/6. Right? You with me or not? Okay, thank you. All right. Now, number 3. The next question, 7. Distributing negative. Remember, that's a negative 1. 3x minus x plus 7 less than or equal to 18. Now remember, I'm telling you, try not to write down my work. Try to do the work on your own and then check to see if you're understanding. Now, combine like terms. Let's go. Combine like terms. Do not wait for me. That says 3x minus 1x. Come on, come on, come on. Good. Now continue. Let's go. Try to do it on your own. Try to do it on your own. All right. Now again, we're combining terms. So I have 3x minus 1x, 2x plus 7 less than or equal to 18. Come on, girls. 2x less than or equal to 11. So x is less than or equal to 11 over 2. Now, speak up if you're not sure where I'm getting 11 over 2 from. Everybody good? All right, now, 11 divided by 2 is about 5.5, right? Or it is 5.5, right? So I know it's between 5 and 6. Solid dot between 5 and 6. Going which way? Less than. All right, less than. So remember, negative infinity is over here, infinity is over here. So my answer is from negative infinity all the way to 11 over 2. Now 11 over 2 this time is a bracket because it is equal to, thank you, and a parentheses here. Any issues? Any issues? All right, let's try the next one. The next one, we have to use the distributive property and then combine terms. 30 seconds, go, chop, chop. 30 seconds, let's go. Be careful when you're distributing the negative. Nope, you're right. Negative times the positive. That's the next one. Right, come on, go. Just go ahead and tell me 4 plus 4 is 1. Just write that as one step. Are you 3 times 2 is 1. No, I'm going down. I'm going down. See that? That should be a plus 4. All right, here we go. I'm looking. Let's go. Come on, boys. I don't have time, okay? No playing around. I don't want you talking to each other. Just work independently on your own. As soon as you get done with this one, go to the next one. You don't have to wait on me. All right, now here we go. 6x plus 6 minus x plus 4 less than 18. Everybody good? Now we're combining terms. 6x minus 1x is how much? 5x. Then we're combining the 4 and the 6, which makes what? Plus 10 is less than 18. Now we subtract 10. 5x is less than 8. X is less than 8 over 5. 8 over 5 is between 1 and 2. 8 divided by 5 goes once. So then you know it's between 1 and 2. So it's an open circle going to the left because it's less than. So keep in mind, remember, negative infinity is over here, infinity is over here. So I'm saying negative infinity to 8 over 5. There you have it.
Wait, how come it's an open circle again?
Open circle because there's no equal to. If it were equal to, here it would be solid. And it would be a bracket. Because it's not equal to, it's an open and a parentheses. All right? Next, right here. For number 1, just to get you on the right track, what should I do first?
Distribute.
No, I'm not wanting to distribute here. The reason, yeah, I can divide by 3. It just makes the problem easier. Hey, does everybody understand why I can divide by 3 here? Because 21 is divisible by 3. So I'm going to divide by 3 just to make sure. Divide by 3, divide by 3. So x plus 4 is greater than what? 7. Now what? Subtract 4. So x is greater than?
We're equal to 7.
3. X is greater than 3. Now, if you need a number line, draw the number line. But when you get to advanced math, we use interval notation. So where are we starting at? We're starting at 3. And then we're heading towards what? Infinity. 3 to infinity. Both of them in parentheses. Boys up front, is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Boys in the middle, you guys good? Boys in the back. Girls. Everybody's good? All right, now number 3. Instead of distributing, we can do what?
Divide.
Divide. Okay, 30 seconds. Let me come around the room and see how you're doing. Let's go. Come on, come on. And then once you're done with number 3, jump to number 5, because it should be that easy. Write it in interval notation. Good. 70 divided by 5 is what? What? 14. 14. Not 24. That's all right. Don't worry. You understand what we're doing.
Yes.
Good, good, good. Keep going. You're smart enough. Hurry through. All right, but check your work. Let me see what you did here. -7. Yay. Now do the interval notation. All right, let me see what you did. See, that's why sometimes 35 divided by 5 today is what? Yeah, nice move. All right, that's good. Good job. Now listen to me. This is less than 7. So that's greater than 7. So you want to go negative infinity to 7. You understand that, right? 70 minus 35 today is 35, not 45.
What's 14 over 7?
You okay? Come on, I want you to look here. I want you to go to number 5. All right. Okay, look up. Let's see what we got now for question number 3. Now again, remember what I'm telling you on question number 3. On question number 3 now, instead of distributing, I honestly think it's easier to just go ahead and divide first. If I divide by 5, it's just one less step. So I end up with y plus 7 is less than 14. And now when after I divide by 7, we're going to subtract 7. So y is less than 7.
Oh, man.
Y is less than 7. Now, for less than 7, that means I'm going negative infinity to 7 parentheses. Come on, guys. If y'all need to move,
Wait, I thought you
feel
divided
free.
it.
Feel free to move. What? I'll answer a question now.
I thought you divided 14 over 7. Like, so
It's addition, Jack. It's addition. How do I get rid of addition?
Oh, subtraction.
Subtraction. Come on. Quickly, number 5. 30 seconds. Let's go. Number 5. And remember, checking your work. A bracket if there's an equal to. A bracket if it's equal to. You guys, go to the next one. Go to the next one. You don't have to wait on me. Just go to the next one. Check your work when I'm going over. Are you okay? Make sure she's working. Yes. Well, you did that. All right, here we go. Let's check out 5. All right, some of you I see are getting a little better. All right. Dividing by 3, x minus 9 is greater than or equal to 10. So x is greater than or equal to 19. Girls, if we're greater than or equal to 19, that means we're starting at 19 and going to infinity. 19 to infinity, bracket around the 19, never a bracket around infinity. Any issues? Alex, I've done a whole bunch now. You good? All right, I'm coming down to check you right now. Number 7. What do I need to do on number 7? Divide by 5. So x plus 2 is less than or equal to, subtracting 2, x is less than or equal to 18. So now we're starting where? Negative infinity. And we're going to what? 18. And there's a bracket on 18, no bracket there. Everybody good on this? Girls, right here. Are you checking your work? All right. Now I'm going to scroll up now. We want number 9. I'm going to walk around the room. Make sure you're doing okay with number 9. Now you got to distribute in combined terms. Distribute in combined terms. Let's go. Chop, chop. Colin, is everything good with you?
Yes.
Come on, I don't want you talking anymore. Okay? You hear me? I don't want you more talking. Write it down. Say something. Just move. All right? 'Cause I got Wednesday to make a good grade. Come on. Good. Now what's that? Yes. Good job. Come on. Now what? Good, good, good. Wow, come on now. Good. So, don't forget to do what? You divide by negative. Change the sign. Very, very good. Very good. All right. Okay, did you divide by negative? You should have. You left that negative off. Well, hold on a minute. Look right here, girl. You don't divide by x, first of all, so you erase that garbage. Then you divide by negative, so that should be a negative and negative, right? Come on, put that in there. Put your negative, negative, and then when you divide by negative, what has to happen? Switch that sign, girl. That's pretty darn good. You hear me? All right, now do the next one. Come on. I don't want you worrying about that stuff. I want you doing the next problem. And the next problem, the next problem. We have probably 20 more problems to go, Polly. Let's go. Chop, chop. Here we go. We're going to look right now at number 9. Here we go. 4x plus 8 minus 10x greater than 38. Negative 6x plus 8 greater than 38. Negative 6x is greater than 30. X is less than negative 5. Most people forgot to change the sign when you divide by a negative. Good? All right. Now, if we're less than negative 5, we're going to start out where? And then we stop at? There you have it. All right. Any questions with number 9? All right, let me come around the room again. Distribute. Combine like terms. Let's go. Good. You O2, O2, O4. Okay, no mistakes. Still okay? What about you? Come on, what's that? No, these guys can do it. Now, let's divide by. Divide by negative, change the sign. So what's greater than that? Okay, let's see what you guys are doing. Here we go, here we go, here we go. So, negative 2y minus 8 minus 2y greater than 8. Negative 4y minus 8 greater than 8. Girls, come on, 8. Julia, I want her left alone. Negative 4y is greater than 16. Y is less than negative 4. Now you're just checking yourself. If you got that answer, you're in good shape. Now you need to double check and make sure you can do interval notation. Negative infinity to -4. Carl, you good? What?
Could you have done the simplified thing like we cross out in between divided by 8? That's what I like.
No, you should distribute on this one.
Oh, you couldn't have like combined it.
I don't know what you mean by
Like
combine.
divided the 8 by
Divide the 8.
-2.
Well, the problem with that is there's another term over here.
Oh, that's
It only works when there's a single one.
just that one.
Yes. Okay. Go 13. Let's go distribute. Chop chop. This one's a pretty easy one.
Wait, what'd you get?
Number 11. That's all right, man.
Okay, yeah, because I divided the.
Yeah, but you would have gotten the right answer if you would have divided this by 2 also.
Right.
And then you're supposed to change the sign, remember? All right, 13. Let's go. Listen, I'm not going to say anymore. Get to work. If you know how to do it, go to 15 and 17 and 19. Come on. Negative times a is a. Now you should do this. You're strong enough with 1 plus 12 minus 2 plus 10. You know what I'm saying, right? Go to the next part. Negative times the positive. See that, right? Little mistake. It's that little mistake. Okay, not even whispering, boys. I didn't want to hear whispering. I'm concentrating. So 3x plus 12 minus 2x minus 2 is greater than 5. X plus 10 is greater than 5. X is greater than -5. If you're greater than -5, you start at -5 and you work your way to infinity. Girls in the back, I didn't check you on this one. All right?
I did it.
But do you see your mistake, though? What was your mistake? Tell me.
I didn't distribute.
Okay, now you're making yourself notes about distributing a negative. Make sure when you distribute a negative, you're changing the signs. All right? Highlight things. When you make a mistake, highlight. So when you're checking your work, you can look at your mistakes.
How did you get 10?
How did I get 10? What is 12 minus 2?
Oh, 10. Oh, yeah. Okay, I tell you.
All right, here we go. Number 15, chop chop. Let's go. 15, leave her alone. Let me check her now. Boy, Allison is getting better. See what you did. Negative 8x, I don't like plus minus. Right, so always leave it as minus. Negative times a positive is a negative. Now you're not distributing anything here, so that 2 is still a positive. You agree? Put a plus there. Okay. Now fix that. I want you to just put -16. It's too confusing with 2 and 16. You understand that? Shh. Sure. Negative 8x minus 16 minus 9x plus 2. Negative 8 minus 9 plus 2. Negative 16. You've got an x. Other than that, you're good. So, negative 8 minus 9 is what? Negative 17. What type of 15? I'll just change it now. You understand? It's negative 15. Okay. Harley, you working? All right, here we go. All right, this is a nice one right here. Number 15, negative 8x minus 16 minus 9x plus 2x greater than or equal to 14. Now we're going to combine terms. -8, -9, +2. I think that should be -15x. -16 is greater than or equal to 14. Add 16 to both sides. -15x is greater than or equal to 30. When I divide by negative, I have to change the signs. So I have x less than or equal to -2. Girls, how are we doing? All right, so if I'm less than -2, I start at -infinity, end up at -2. Bracket at -2. All right, now you're trying to see right now how you're going to be doing on your test. All right, if you're not doing it or you're making a bunch of mistakes, we got to fix them now.
How do you know whether to put a bracket or not?
Bracket if it's equal. You see how this said equal right here? Look, pay attention. That's an equal. You with me? In the old books, it used to be written like this. There used to be like that. So it looks like an equal sign. All right? Here we go. Number 17, combining like terms. Combining like terms. 16 and 3 can be combined. X over 5 plus 19 greater than 22. Now what? Subtract 19. X plus 5 greater than 3. Everybody good with this? How do I undo division? Multiplication. So x is greater than 15. Allison, how you doing? Do I need to explain something on that? So I'm starting at 15 and heading out to infinity. There's no equal to, so it's parentheses. Alex, you okay? Colin, you good?
I got it.
All right, distributing a negative. Distributing a negative. Give you a second. I'm walking around the room. See how you're doing. Show me you can distribute a negative properly. 4 minus. No, I see what you did. You may think of this as -4. Or 1. Now, you leave the 4 alone. 4. Now it's -1. I mean, boys. Good. Also good. Now, combine term. Good. Good. No. No, because this itself is plus there. So you can see. Yeah, you see why a lot of kids look at that and make a mistake. It's opposite of that. It's not. Slush.
God bless you.
4 minus 2. All right, here we go. 4 minus x minus 2 is greater than -7. What's 4 minus 2?
2.
2. 2 minus x is greater than -7. Now, don't forget, this is a plus 2. How do I get rid of plus 2? Minus 2. So -x is greater than -9. Change the signs. When I change the signs, that becomes x is what? Less than what? 9. X is less than 9. Double check your signs. If x is less than 9, that means you're going from -infinity to 9. Is everybody good with that? Good? All right. Number 1, combining like terms. I'm going to walk around the room. Let's go. Combining like terms. Combining like terms. All right, here we go. Combining like terms. When I'm combining like terms, I get 13n plus 21 less than or equal to 86. 13n is less than or equal to 65. So n is less than or equal to 5. If it's less than or equal to 5, that means we're going from negative infinity to 5, bracket around the 5. Come on, Carly, right now, let's go. Tell me.
Don't you, I thought that you were supposed to subtract 13.
No, that's okay. That's okay. Listen to me. That's multiplication. How do I undo multiplication? Division. That's all right. Don't worry. Come on. That's what I'm saying. Make your mistakes now. Don't be upset. Just say, wow, okay, little mistake. Fix it so you don't make the same mistake on the next problem. All right? Fix it. Fix it. All right. Now, on the next problem, I should just go ahead and do what? Someone? Yeah, I would go ahead and divide by 3. This is a good one to divide by 3. So now x minus 2 is greater than what?
7.
And so x has to be greater than?
9.
Come on, that's pretty easy. All right, now we're going from 9 to infinity. Now, number 3, if I were to divide by -2, if I were to divide by -2, I have to do what to the signs? Change them. Make sure you change the sign. Let's go. I'm walking around. Let's go, let's go, let's go. If you divide by you can't divide by 2 and distribute. You have a choice. If you distribute here, lose the negative. If you go too low, now, some of you guys are distributing, so I'm just going to go ahead and distribute on this one. So here, -2y minus 6 less than or equal to 12. -2y is less than or equal to 18. Dividing by -2, changing signs. Y greater than or equal to -9. -9. All right? So if I'm greater than -9, I'm starting at -9, heading out to infinity. Everybody good on this? Now, I really want to talk to you about number 4 because I want to talk to you about multiplying by the reciprocal. The reason why I want the reciprocal is because I don't like dealing with fractions. So everybody put the reciprocal of 2/5. That would be what? 5 over 2 times 5 over 2. These guys cancel. X plus 10 greater than or equal to, what is it?
5.
By 5. Thank you very much. Because what happens? The 2's cancel. Now we subtract 10. X greater than or equal to -5. Thank you. So I'm at -5, heading out to infinity. What time's the bell ring?
51.
Okay. All right, guys. Listen, my advice is practice, practice, do the other side. And the people know I want to see you during your choice. During your choice, I want to see you to get that done, to get it taken care of, to get it taken care of. Girls, you know who you are. Yes, you. I'll see you 8th period. You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you, oh great Mr. Stroud. That's what I thought I heard you say. That's what I thought you said. No, you got to go to class. Go to class.